Hello everybody, and yeah, this is my Lego helicopter, but instead of being Lego, it's not Lego, it's Higo. I mean, yeah, it's pretty cool, and yeah, everybody that lives in this house downstairs, by the way, knows that I have a channel now. So yeah, including my dad. So this is my Lego helicopter. Of course it works, and also I just want to say I'm not doing a face reveal until I get like let me think, 10 subs. I ain't doing a face reveal until I get 10 subscribers. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope everybody enjoyed, and yeah, bye bye. By the way, voice is the best.